I'm not here to waste your time with those generic AI side hustles you see everywhere, the ones that sound great but never actually make you money. Instead, I'm going to show you 3 AI side hustles that actually work. No BS. No fluff. Just straight up AI hustles that work. AI is making it easier than ever to start a profitable side hustle. But here's the thing, most people are still using it the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 AI side hustles that are actually making people real money in 2025. These aren't theories or random ideas pulled from Google, real people are doing this, and I'll show you how. Each of these side hustles has huge potential, and you don't want to miss any of them. So watch closely because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money with AI. Let's start with something that everyone says doesn't work, AI-powered blogging. You've probably heard people say, Google penalizes AI-written content. It won't rank. It's a waste of time. But I'm about to show you the complete opposite. This user on X has 7 AI-powered blogs bringing in a solid 4-figure side income. Another user had multiple AI-written blog posts rank 1 on Google overnight. And this guy grew not 1, but 3 SaaS businesses, just using AI-generated blogs. So let me break it down for you, how you can start your own AI-powered blog that actually ranks, gets traffic, and makes money. The truth is, AI content can rank. But the way you create it makes all the difference. So, here's exactly how you can start your own AI-powered niche blog and turn it into a passive income stream. First, you need a niche. And no, you can't just pick any random topic and expect it to work. The key is to choose something specific, not just fitness, but something like home workouts for busy parents. Instead of just travel, try budget-friendly solo travel tips. Narrowing down your niche makes it way easier to rank on Google and attract the right audience. Once you've got your niche, you'll need a domain and hosting. This part is simple. Just go to any hosting provider like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger, whichever you prefer. Get a basic shared hosting plan, it's super cheap, and most of them will give you a free domain for the first year. Pick a name that reflects your niche, something simple and easy to remember. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT to suggest domain names for your topic. After that, install WordPress. Almost every hosting provider has a one-click install option, so you don't need to touch any code. Once WordPress is set up, you'll want to install a fast, SEO-friendly theme. Just go to Themes in your WordPress dashboard, click Add New, and choose something lightweight like Astra or any blog theme. These are free and optimized for speed, which helps with ranking. Now, the most important part, creating AI-generated content that actually ranks. Here's where most people mess up. They go to ChatGPT and type, "Write me a blog post about keto diets," and expect it to rank. That won't work. You need to guide AI to create content that's structured for SEO. Here's what you do. Go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Give me 10 blog post ideas that are highly searched in your niche. ChatGPT will generate a list of potential articles, but we need to make sure people are actually searching for these topics. Just copy the ideas you like and head over to Google's Keyword Planner or a free tool like Ubersuggest. Type in the topics and see if they have a decent search volume and not too high competition, and most of the time you won't have high competition if you choose a narrowed down niche. That will be your green light to move forward. Now, instead of just telling ChatGPT to write an article, use this prompt. Write me an SEO-optimized blog post for your topic, following Google's guidelines for helpful content. Make sure it includes structured headings, keyword variations, and reads naturally like human-written content. This step is crucial. Google doesn't penalize AI content, but it does penalize bad AI content. The more structured and natural it feels, the better it ranks. Once ChatGPT generates your article, don't just copy and paste it. Here's where you make a few tweaks. Reword the intro in your own style to make it unique. Add personal insights or real-life examples to make it stand out. You may use Grammarly or Quillbot to fine-tune the wording so it feels 100% human-written. Now, it's time to publish the article. Head to your WordPress dashboard, click Posts, and Add New. Paste in your article, format it properly, and make sure you add images. AI-generated content with visuals ranks better, so use Leonardo AI or Canva to create original featured images. Once your post is live, don't just wait for Google to pick it up. Submit it to Google Search Console rank fast on Google. Additionally, this is totally optional, but you can boost your traffic immediately by sharing it on Pinterest. Pinterest is insane for driving blog traffic because it acts like a search engine. Create a simple vertical pin using Canva, upload it to Pinterest with a catchy title, and link it back to your blog. This can skyrocket your early traffic while Google picks up your site in the background. Just publishing one blog a day will do it for you, and to be honest, please don't expect results or traffic from day one, but I can surely say that within a month you can potentially see a significant amount of traffic starting to come on your blog, and with consistency you can make it big. The best part is once you have a few posts ranking, you can monetize with ads, affiliate links, or even sell your own digital products. This is one of the easiest and most scalable AI side hustles out there, and people are making thousands per month doing it. Now let's talk about another simple, yet insanely profitable AI side hustle, Instagram theme pages. And no, I'm not talking about just posting random AI-generated images and expecting to blow up. I'm talking about building a brand page around a niche that actually makes money, something that helps people and has a built-in audience. So here's how you can set up your own AI-powered Instagram brand page. First, you need to pick a niche. And I'm going to be real with you, not all niches are profitable. If you're doing this to make money, stick to what actually works, business, because people always want to learn how to make more money, health, because people invest in things that improve their well-being, or relationships and self-improvement, because everyone wants a better life. These three have massive audiences and brands are always looking for influencers in these spaces. You need to pick one of these and stick to it. No mixing. No posting random trendy content just to go viral. You're here to build a brand. Now, once you've picked your niche, let's get your content strategy set up. Instead of guessing what to post, let's make AI do the heavy lifting. Head over to ChatGPT and prompt it. I'm building an Instagram page in the niche I space. Give me a 30-day content calendar with post ideas that provide value and help grow an audience. Boom. Now you have a structured plan of what to post daily. But let's take this a step further. Most theme pages fail because they post generic AI images with random captions. Instead, most of the time you need to create authority-building carousel posts. These are those multi-slide posts that go deep into one valuable topic, making people swipe through and actually engage. For example, if you're in the business niche, you can post how to close more sales, step by step. 5 productivity hacks to get more done in less time. Why most people stay broke, and how to avoid it. And here's the easiest way to create them. Just go to Canva, choose an Instagram carousel template, and plug in the info. Keep it clean, minimal, and easy to read. No need for fancy graphics. Just value-driven content that makes people want to save and share it. Instead of designing from scratch, use ChatGPT to generate the text and copy-paste it into Canva. This way, you can batch create 30 days worth of content in one day. Now, if you want to take this a step further and stand out, you can create your own AI influencer. Instead of running just a theme page, what if you created your own AI influencer? Someone who speaks directly to your audience, shares insights, and builds a personal brand that looks real. Sounds complicated? Well, it's not. AI does everything for you. Though if you've watched one of my previous video on how to make AI Instagram influencer, I gave out the complete roadmap to this, but I'll briefly explain it here as well. Here's how you do it. Step 1, go to ChatGPT and tell it, I want to create an AI influencer in the niche A space. Define its personality, backstory, and content style, also write a Leonardo.ai prompt to create it. Step 2, once you get the persona, head to Leonardo.ai and generate the character using prompt. Make sure to include keywords so the character stays consistent across different images. Step 3, now, to make the character speak, go to Canva and in App section go to Vidnaz AI, upload the character's image, paste in a script, and generate a video where your AI influencer talks to the audience. And just like that, you have an entire Instagram page running on AI, a theme page or a full-fledged AI influencer. The best part is you can easily monetize it. Once your page starts growing, you can sell shoutouts to brands and other pages. Offer digital products or ebooks based on your niche. Even create a subscription-based community where people pay to learn from your posts. The opportunities are insane, and once you set it up, it runs almost on autopilot. Alright, let's now talk about something way bigger. If you do this right, this can become a full-time income stream, completely AI-generated. I'm talking about faceless YouTube channels. You've probably seen them, storytelling videos, documentaries, business breakdowns. These channels pull in millions of views, and the crazy part is AI can handle almost everything for you. But here's where most people get it wrong, they copy the same YouTube video ideas that already exist. That's a guaranteed way to get buried. Instead, we need to find new and unique topics that haven't been done before. So first, pick an evergreen niche, something that will always be relevant and has a consistent audience. Think about topics that people will always search for like kids stories, which have massive engagement because parents are always looking for content to keep their kids entertained. Or history, a niche where people love learning about untold stories and fascinating historical events. Then there's personal development, which is never going away because people will always want to improve themselves, whether it's building better habits or becoming more productive. And finally, business and entrepreneurship, one of the most profitable niches out there, where people are constantly searching for strategies to make more money, grow their businesses, or achieve financial freedom. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find video ideas that will actually stand out. Just head over to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 10 unique video ideas for a faceless YouTube channel in your niche." Make sure they are engaging and not already widely covered on YouTube. Now, here's the key: you don't want to make just another video on the same topic that's already ranking. Copy the exact title of a suggested idea, search it on YouTube, and see if there's already a video with that same title. If there is, move on. If there is no video with the same title, that's your green light to go ahead. Once the topic is locked in, we need a script. You could write it yourself, but why not let AI do it for you? Just ask ChatGPT. Write me a YouTube video script for your chosen topic. Keep it engaging, informative, and structured for storytelling. Once the script is ready, we break it down into scenes. Instead of guessing what visuals to use, let's make AI generate them perfectly. Prompt ChatGPT. Break this script into scenes and generate Leonardo.ai prompts for each scene. Ensure consistency across images. Now, we've got every scene lined up, along with AI prompts to generate the perfect visuals. Time to bring it to life. Head over to Leonardo.ai, set the aspect ratio 16:9, and generate your visuals, one by one. For the voiceover, we're keeping it simple. Just go to Clipchamp, paste in your script, choose a voice that fits your niche, and generate a professional AI voiceover in seconds. Now, we have all the pieces of the puzzle: AI visuals, AI voiceover, and the script. The final step is a bit editing. Import your visuals into Clipchamp, align the visuals with the voiceover, add some background music for engagement, and export the video. And just like that, you have a fully AI-generated faceless YouTube channel. No need to be on camera. No need to record your voice. Completely automated. And if you stay consistent with this, YouTube's algorithm will push your videos to the right audience, and that's when the real money starts rolling in. So there you have it, 3 AI-powered side hustles that are actually making people money right now. AI blogging, Instagram theme pages, or full-on AI influencers, and faceless YouTube channels. Did you notice that these aren't gimmicks? These aren't just quick cash methods that dry up in a few months. They're real, scalable businesses that can grow into full-time income streams if you stay consistent. And the best part is you don't need a single dollar to start. No upfront investment. No hiring freelancers. Just your laptop, AI, and a bit of patience. Now, here's where most people fail. They try something once, don't see instant success, and give up. But that's not how this works. The more content you put out, the better you get. The better you get, the more attention you attract. So the real question is, are you actually going to try this? Because the only difference between the people making money with these side hustles and the ones still scrolling through videos like this, is action. If you found this valuable, let me know which one you're going to start with in the comments. And if you want more AI side hustle breakdowns like this, make sure you stick around. Now go take action.